Remove the front panel above the instrument and the lamp holder can be seen. Turn the sample needle over the sample tray. Remove the reaction lid and the small panel above the lamp holder. Find the lamp power supply adapter and disconnect it. Loosen the retaining screws on the lamp house with M1.5 hex wrench. Having turned off the light for 10 minutes, remove the lamp out. Insert the new lamp in. Connect the power supply and you can see the lamp is on. Remove the reaction cuvettes in the position of the reaction plate where the lamp focused on. Move the lamp to adjust the lamp in an appropriate position, where the focus point of light is in the middle of the fiber lens. Tighten the retaining screws of lamp. Install the reaction cuvettes, the cover plate on the lamp, and the panel in turn. Open Test to enter AD signal and click Start. Remove the back cover of the instrument and locate the motherboard. Locate the black gain button on the far left side of the motherboard. Press here for 3 seconds. The AD signal will automatically adjust to 50,000.